What's up guys, it's Daniel here with 10X Dynamic Customs, and today we are going to be installing a radio screen protector on the 2021 Chevy Blazer RS, and this will be the same for pretty much any vehicle. The process, at least, you just have to get the specific screen protector for your vehicle. So let's get started. So as we get into the car, you notice my wife still has this from the factory screen protector on here that you're supposed to take off when you get the car. So we'll go ahead and take that off now. Since this was on there shouldn't be any dirt. I don't see any dirt on there. So as you can see, this is the tempered glass, and this is what it came with: a alcohol prep pad to clean it off, microfiber towel, and this is to stick on the screen to make sure there's no dirt left on it. And then of course the tempered glass. Which has a sticker on it to let you know to peel that off before you put it on there. And that should be the back side as well. Yeah, that's the side with the sticker. All right, well, let's get her on there. So, take this alcohol pad first, and we'll wipe down the screen. Give it a good wipe down, even though you just seen that I took the film that came on the car originally off, so it should be pretty clean. We'll just go ahead and wipe it down. And the next step is to take the sticker and get any extra dust or debris that is on there off. Got a couple little pieces down here in the corner. Now first I'm going to line it up here to make sure that it's going to fit right. Now we'll peel this tape off the back and stick it on there. Some of them, I know my F-150 came with a little piece to hold this with when you stuck it on there. This one does not. It also came with something to smooth the bubbles out. This one also did not come with that. Once you get it on there, you just smooth all the bubbles out, and that's it. All right, we've got the tempered glass on. Now I'm going to turn the car on and make sure that the touch works properly. It gives it a nice shine, makes it look a little bit sharper. I like it. So, yep, it looks like everything is working just fine. Yep, looks like everything's working. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this helped y'all out. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment. Catch y'all in the next one.